cute, she's very energetic, and full of heart. Her infectious smile and positive energy light up every room she enters, and that's exactly the kind of vibe that VB brings to the beauty scene. Now, the products now launching under VB of Viva Beauty, just like Angela herself, are colorful, fun, cute, and absolutely delightful. They're the kind of products you'll instantly fall in love with, just as people naturally gravitate towards Angela. She's the type of person everyone loves to be around, bright, kind, and effortlessly happy. And that's exactly what VB represents, a brand that makes you feel good, look good, and enjoy every moment of being you. Now, Angela is exactly what VB stands for. She's vibrant, she's joyful, and genuine to that. No matter what life throws at her, she meets it with such grace and that trademark of a happy smile. She brings color whenever or wherever she goes, and that's the energy we want VB to share with everyone. Known for her sweet charm, dance moves, and her doll-like beauty, whether she looks like a Japanese or Korean, okay, Angela continues to shine as Viva's most promising young stars, a true go-getter with such personality. She's perfectly VB's belief that beauty is happiest when it's fun, bright, and confidently your own. More importantly, we'd like to add that Angela has definitely the color and the smile and that positive outlook every time you see her on stage or even at the fan meet. So VB celebrates Angela not only for her outer beauty, but for her beautiful spirit. Joyfully inspiring and full of life, with her face and the brand that VB promises to bring more color, more energy, and more smiles than every beauty lover's day. Get ready to glow up with VB by Viva Beauty, and let Angela's colorful world inspire you to shine confidently, joyfully, and beautifully. Viva Beauty's VB is a celebration of youth, color, and confidence, designed for those who love to express themselves through beauty. From the playful lip tints, the mood-brightening blushes, and everything else that basically spells out fun. VB is made to make you feel fresh, vibrant, and ready to take the world, one happy color at a time. That's VB Vibe, and definitely VB is VB Girl Angela. So, I'd like to share with you the line of products that we have. So, ito yung VB. Okay, let's do it one at a time. Let me just explain one slide at a time. We have the VB Jelly Tint. I'm sure familiar kayo sa Jelly Tint. Ang dami nang lumabas sa Jelly Tint. But this particular Jelly Tint, hindi siya kagad nagme-melt. Very sturdy siya at bouncy siya. So you can use it for your cheeks, you can use it for your lips, at hindi siya basta-basta nawawala. Talagang naglalast siya. Okay, so this cheek and lip tint that has fun and lasting colors and vibrant colors, just exactly how Angela smiles to each and every one of you. Next slide, please. We have the VB Color Changing Lip Oil. Naku, ito sobrang ganda because it's like fairy tale, and at the same time, medyo galactic yung kanyang dating. So step into Angela Mucci's sparkling world of VB Color. It's a changing lip color, depende sa pH balance natin. So, yung kulay na yan, iba sa akin, at yung kulay niya, iba naman kay Phoebe. Alright? So, it is actually a dreamy lime lip, or lip line, that is actually made up of oil, and that gives your lips that instant fairy-like radiance with a touch of intergalactic shine. Kasi meron tayong mga glitters dyan, kasi uso-uso ngayon ng glitters, di ba? Alright, and the next slide, oh by the way, yung line na yun, may scent pa yun. So it's very, very nice to use. So we have the VB Liquid Blush. So we'd like to be able to introduce this day blush, and it actually is very, very light, but at the same time, okay, it gives you that dewy look. So it's perfect for your everyday use. Kasi parang, I just woke up looking like this, ang dating yan. Okay, and then next slide, please. We have the VB Cream Blush. Ang cute ng kanyang lalagyan, diba? It's one of a kind. So the VB Cream Blush is a proof that a little goes a long way kasi very pigmented yan. So just one dot goes a long way. And the nice thing about this product is that it's buildable. So kung gusto nyo medyo parang ala Sabrina Carpenter na blush blind, pwede nyo siyang dagdagan na dagdagan. Pero kung gusto nyo lang parang sun-kissed lang kayo, isang dot lang and then spread it, it goes a long, long way. So it puts your cheeks to life and with a burst of color that instantly brightens and smooths and naturally radiant in anybody's eyes. Alright? On the next slide, we have the VB Lip Oil. So meet the VB Lip Oil, your new everyday must-have for your lips that look fresh, radiant, and naturally young. So very light lang ang dating nito, para lang siyang natural. Pero maganda dito, you can use it and make it hang on your bag or probably on your phone because meron siyang pom-pom na kasama. So talagang cutesy talaga ang dating nitong product na to. Na kahit nakatulad ko ng matanda na, gugustuhin kong dalhin yan. Alright? And the next slide. Are we done? Yes, okay. So, alright, we have now the products of VB. It basically is fun. And we totally believe that hindi lang mga batang bibili yan. But of course, the mommies, na katulad ko, or the lolas na katulad ko, who will actually want to buy these products to give to their children, or to their nieces, di ba? But at the same time, you yourself can use it because it's very, very nice. Ang ganda ng texture niya at napaka-gaan siyang dalhin sa inyong mga purses. Alright? Thank you!
Thank you so much, Miss Cindy Rubio. As usual, concise, and I love the presentation. Maraming salamat. Di ba maganda kasi multi-purpose yung mga gamit niya, di ba? Pwede sa lips, sa cheeks, sa eyes. And then I like with the keychain, oh, baka mapalitan niya yung Labubu trend. Oh, di ba? Alright, maraming salamat po. Again, that was our Business Development and Training Head. Ngayon naman, may I ask you to please direct your attention to the screen. Alright, such a fun and vibrant video to introduce VB's favorite various product lines. But you may be asking, saan nga ba available ang VB? VB is now available on Viva Beauty's TikTok shop and at SM Beauty La Union. So this is a new mall, and we heard that SM Beauty really asked for VB to be launched there. So we're incredibly proud to be launching in SM Beauty La Union, and of course soon in selected SM Beauty and Watson stores nationwide. Also, Viva Beauty will also have an upcoming mall show. Ayan, mark your calendars. This October 19 at Ayala Circuit Makati, featuring Rab Gel and VB, as well as TikTok Live this afternoon at 5:30 p.m. on Angela's personal TikTok account. And now, alright, the moment we have all been waiting for. Again, ladies and gentlemen, kung magpo-post po kayo ng photos and videos, ang gagamitin na hashtag ay VBGirlAngela. Alright, so ulitin ko po, October 19, merong upcoming mall show including Rabin and Angela. This is at Ayala Circuit, Makati. And later on, meron siyang TikTok live selling. Okay, 5:30 p.m. on Angela's personal TikTok account. Alright, are we ready? We are ready. The moment we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for the newest face of Viva Beauty's VB. Let's all welcome Angela Muji.
loved beauty products ever since I was young, so this is such a big dream come true for me. Thank you so much for joining me.
Alright, and of course, thank you, Miss Sydney. Would you like a photo with Angela? Sige po, please stay there in the center. O, diba, sabi ko sa inyo may lobo na si Viva Beauty ngayon. Okay, congratulations po, Angela. Marami tayong aabangan. Of course, now we will jump into our press conference. We will open the floor to our dear friends from the press. Thank you so much, Angela. You may now take your seats. Okay, simulan po natin, of course, with none other than June Laning from Abante.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Angela. It's nice to see you here. Is this your first endorsement?
Yes po, from you, that's my first endorsement po.
So, never ka pa nakagawa ng anything? Kasi sabi mo from Viva.
Yes po, usually collaborations po, yung last collaborations ko po with Techno and also with 7-Eleven. But from Viva, this is my first endorsement po.
Yeah. So, hindi lang to basta call up with the endorsement. So, gaano ka ka-excited with this, kumbaga bago po sa buhay mo ng artista?
I'm super excited because, as I mentioned before, mahilig po talaga ako sa mga makeup, sa skincare products, and matagal ko na rin po pinapangarap na mag-endorse ng isang beauty product, and I'm glad that it's with Viva Beauty.
Yeah. At syempre, no, hindi rin naman kasi matatawaran yung kasakatan mo na kasi sa mga shows nyo, like yung sa inyo ni Robin, di ba? Yung si Lucy. Tapos you're doing a werewolf boy, tama no?
Yes po.
Nung una sabi kasi naka-lacking kayo, pero ngayon hindi na, no? Tapos na yung sa taal nyo, ngayon nag-shoot na kayo sa iba't ibang lugar, like nasa Tanay kayo the other day, tama?
Yes po.
How was it?
It was so fun. First time ko rin po mag-lock-in taping, and kakaiba po siya kasi almost every day you're working and mas focused ka po talaga, hindi ka na-distract sa ibang bagay. And kasi rin po sa Taal, fresh yung food, fresh yung hangin, and somehow, even though it's work, it's also like parang bonding na rin with the people you work with.
Pero syempre, out of town yan. Minsan, madalas mga sa labas yung shoot nyo, di ba? Nakakatulong ba ang Viva Beauty na to, yung products mo, yung DV na yan, para maprotektahan ka pa. Kasi madalas maaraw din eh. Yung mga times na umuulan, pero hindi kayo shoot sa labas. Pero pag nasa labas kayo, yung maaraw sa atin ni Director Santo eh. So, malaking tulong.
Malaking tulong naman po siya. One product that I use from Viva Beauty is yung cushion po ng The Lab by Blank 2. It's a 3-in-1 product. It's makeup, it's skincare, and sunscreen. So natural lang po yung finish niya. Nagagamit ko rin po siya sa taping. Maganda po.
Yeah, may sunscreen na siyang kasama.
Yes po, SPF 50 from not mistaken.
I'm sorry?
SPF 50.
Malaking tulong, di ba?
Yes.
Lalo na po kung outside yung mga shoot mo, di ba?
Halo-halo po kasi minsan outdoor, minsan indoor.
So pag gamit mo siya, anong reaction ni Robin? Napupuri niya ba yung skin mo?
Kasi po yung makeup ko po sa A Werewolf Boy is very natural since it's set back in the 70s. So sobrang light po ng makeup ko, and minsan po nasasabi ni Robin, bagay pala sa'yo light yung makeup.
Talaga, anong nararamdaman pa pinapansin niya?
Siyempre po, flattered po ako. Tapos, siyempre, sabi ko, hindi na. Pero hindi, thank you naman.
Yeah, thank you. Pero tanungin ko rin yung mga taga-Viva Beauty, no? Sino pa yung sumagot?
Miss Cindy over here, Sir June.
Ay, oo. Siyempre, iba, tatanungin, bakit si Angela ang napili niyo for this product po?
Sir, kasi Angela has that vibrant look. At saka palagi siyang energetic. And then of course, she's a fast-rising star. So dahil brand new yung product, brand new din, gusto din namin parang fresh face. Something that most young girls and her age can relate to. So it's more of yung ugali huli niya kasi napakasayahin nitong batang to. So whatever it is na i-throw talaga sa kanya, she's very positive with the way she answers on all the situations that she faces.
Yeah, very vibrant ka daw, energetic, and positive.
It's very positive.
Yan din ba napansin sa inyo? Yan din ba napansin sa inyo, Robin?
Yeah. I don't know what to say kasi Robin naman po kasi he's always making fun and everyone. Nagka-compliment siya sa lahat ng tao. And yun din po, compliment niya rin naman po ako sa friends. Siyempre po, nagpamakipon, so like, pwede yan.
Tama no, si Robin is also with Viva Beauty, tama, di ba?
Yes.
May pabango ba? Ano naman yung endorsement?
Well, si Robin is currently our ambassador for Ben Perfumes at saka yung Green Flavonoid po ng The Lab by Black Do, which is a Korean brand. At the same time, he has 3 already perfumes for Viva Beauty. Tsaka meron din siya kung lip balm line. Yes. So they're both actually like the young stars now of Viva are growing with us when it comes to beauty products.
Yeah, nakakatuwa magkasama sa isang endorsement, isang produkto, brands na Angela and Robin.
Yes,
diba? So napag-uusapan nyo ang Viva Beauty?
Yes po, when I told him na I'll be endorsing Viva Beauty, he was very happy for me naman.
At least magkasama kayo sa isang brand, di ba?
Yes po.
Pero yan, congratulations!
Thank you so much.
And syempre bigat din sa launching movie nyo, di ba? Oo, 9 days na kayo, no? Tama?
Yes, 9 days na po.
Oo, kailan naman shoot nyo?
Next shoot po, wala pa po kasi kami bigay na schedule.
Kasi hindi na yung tapos na yung laki nyo doon sa Taal. Ngayon, iba-ibang lugar na yan. Congrats! And good luck! Bye-bye!
Okay, maraming salamat po, Sir June. I love how updated you are with the shooting schedule din, and the location, bongga. Alright, moving on now. Let's hear from Random Republica. We have Miss Kate Adahar.
Hi, good afternoon, Angela. Nabanggit mo kanina na bata pa lang mahilig ka na sa pagpapaganda. What kind of joy does it give you? And sino yung naging influence?
I think my number one influence when it comes to beauty and fashion is my mom because she used to be a fashion designer and also a makeup artist. And mahilig din po ako sumali sa pageants ng bata ko. So, bata pa lang po talaga ako mahilig na ako mag-makeup, kikay po talaga ako. And I started doing my own makeup when I was 12 years old. Sobrang fascinated po talaga ako sa makeup products and how it can change one look to another. Sobrang versatile po kasi yan. I just love how it makes me confident po.
And starting sa makeup look mo ngayon, yung blush, any makeup hacks or tricks na pwede mong i-share sa amin, sa fans?
This is something I've learned and this is something you can do with our Vivi products. We have a cream blush and also a liquid blush. It's yung layering blush. You take 2 shades of blush and you use it on the outer and the inner part of your cheeks para seamless lang siya and flushed yung look na natural.
Thank you and congratulations.
Alright, okay. I'm sure marami nag-note down ng hack na yan. Maraming salamat. Angela, now moving on to our friend from TikTok, of course, Miss Aster Amoyo.
Thank you. Angela, medyo curious lang ako sa screen name mo. Is that your real name, Muji?
Yes po. There's actually quite a funny story about it. My full name is Maria Angela Cecilia Muji with an H inside.
It's Muji, not Muji.
Yes, but I chose Muji because growing up, I was always bonding with my cousins from Mindoro and Marinduque, and their last names were Muje and Muji with a J. And I've always liked their names better than the H. So sabi ko, once I get the chance to get a screen name, I'm definitely gonna borrow your last names. But yeah, sa family po namin, yung J-E and J-I is isa lang po.
Akala ko tuloy meron kang Japanese father or relative.
Wala na.
Wala naman. Sinabi mo kasi na, sinabi mo earlier na 12 years old, may pagkakikay ka na, ang hilig-hilig mo na sa mga makeup.
Yes po.
kung bubuksan, kung magkakaroon ng instant bag raid ngayon, anong laman ng bag mo?
Meron po, of course, hindi mawala yung lip tint, and then hindi rin mawala yung pabango, yung handkerchief, toothpaste, toothbrush, jewelry, and charger, wallet din.
Yung products ng VB meron?
Yes po. Yung lip tint po. Yung lip cream.
Ay, yun. Okay. Sa dinami-dami kasi ng talents ng Viva, kanina tinanong ni June Lalin, yung marketing head, kung of all the talents or young talents ng Viva, why you? So, ibig lang sabihin, there's something special in you. So, bakit kaya ikaw ang pinili at ano kaya ang meron ka na ikaw ang mag-isang single out to be an endorser ng Viva products?
For me, I think it's my love for beauty po talaga. I think they notice na, oh, this girl, she really loves makeup and she's passionate about it. And I think I'm always thankful po to Viva for giving me this opportunity. And I think also one reason is because yun nga po yung na-mention nila na bagay po yung product dito sa personality ko po.
Lastly, kasi last week lang nag-attend, was it last week or early this week, nag-attend din kami ng press con kay na Robin. My question is, saan level na ang pagkakaibigan niyo ni Robin?
We're very close friends naman po talaga. Ever since nag-start yung Seducing Drake Papa, we got to know each other better. And nasa point na kami na parang nakambit kita, ganyan, I'm always here for you. So if there's something bothering you, you can always tell me. And I think I consider him as one of my close friends po.
I don't know kung aware ka, kasi nung pinakita yung teaser, di ba naandyan kayo, nakahilig ka kasi sa kanya eh. So parang there's something special na going on with the two of you. Kaya tinanong kita kung saan level na kayo.
Ako naman po, I'm not against the idea if some kind of love or attraction blossoms between the two of us. Pero I made it clear between him and I na mas i-prioritize po namin yung career namin. Because yun po yung, ito na po kami, ito yung matagal namin pinaghirapan and we don't really wanna ruin what we have right now. So we don't wanna risk it.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, congratulations to you, Angela, at sa inyong upcoming movie. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Tita Aster. Grabe sumagot, no? Parang beauty queen, ano? Talagang so poised and prim. Alright, now, moving on to Bandera. We have Irvin Santiago.
Hi Angela, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Tanong ko lang kasi di ba sabi mo nga masayahin ka, lagi ka nakatawa. May moments ba na medyo nadadown ka rin or medyo may bad hair days ka? And paano mo hinahandle yun?
I admit na there are, actually recently, madalas na medyo nadadown ako. And that's because of outside noise na I try to stay away from. Pero nakakarating pa rin siya kahit iniiwasan ko. So how I handle that is I accept it na I'm not okay, and that's okay. Sabi nga ni Robin, okay, pag tinanggap mo na hindi ka okay, mas madali kang makarecover from that. And I always try to remind myself na mas importante yung mga taong nagsusuporta sa akin behind the scenes.
Yung fans mo.
Opo, and of course po yung tiwalang binigay sa akin ng Viva. And sabi nga po sa akin, lahat naniniwala sa'yo. So kailangan ikaw din maniwala sa sa'yo.
Ayun. Paano mo pinahalagahan, Angela, yung mga fans mo na mula nung nagsimula ka hanggang ngayon nakasuporta pa rin sa'yo?
Ako po, always grateful po ako for my angels, my loves, na hindi ako iniwan since day one. Lagi ko po silang in-remind na love ko sila by random tweets like, I love you, and love you. I always remind them na to spread happiness and kindness towards everyone.
Tapos, follow ko lang dun sa mga tanong nila Tita Astor about Robin. Sino mas maalaga sa inyo ni Robin? Ikaw o siya?
po siya.
Paano kanya inaalagaan natin? Lalo na kapag may taping kayo, lalo na doon sa lock-in sa Batangas.
First day po namin noon sa lock-in, wala pa po kami taping. Parang nagsisettle pa lang po kami sa hotel, ganyan. And then, he has a car that I didn't bring one, so nakakapunta siya when he needs to run some errands or kailangan bumili sa 7-Eleven. And then, he told me, he asked me, may kailangan ka ba? Ganyan. Sabi ko, kahit ano lang, isang chips lang or snacks lang. Tapos pagdating niya, may isa na siyang buong bag. So sweet lang po, and I found it really touching na hindi ko naman in-ask for that money, but he still gave it to me without me having to ask him. And then, during taping naman po, is that he's naturally a gentleman, so nasa outdoors po kami, may exterior, so there's terrain. And then, he would, assist me para hindi ako madulas. And he would always hold my hand, sabihin sa akin, ito blocking mo. And he really helps me with my blockings kasi hindi pa rin ako sanay sa yung camera. Tinutulungan niya po. Tulungan po kami.
Last na lang, bilang endorser ng VB, ano yung message mo dun sa mga kababaihan o yung mga kabataan na nawawala ng confidence sa sarili mo?
Hello, baby girls. I just want to tell you na I've been there. To be honest, growing up, I have been bullied for my looks, for not having eyebrows, for being too thin, and I just want you to know na people's opinions about you don't matter because at the end of the day, kung ano yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, yun yung nagmamahal. So just stay strong and believe in yourself.
Alright, maraming salamat. We've seen a few...
Thank you pala sa Angelics Place for being so generous sa chocolates sa ulitin siya. Thank you. So, Angela, you mentioned about your insecurities kanina. So, how confident are you ngayon in terms of your looks?
I've learned to love myself for how I look like, and I understand that my face is a result of endless people who love each other. Kaya, who am I to judge how I look? Kasi ito yung binigay ni Lord, so dapat tanggapin ko. And right now, I'm very confident. Also with the help of Vivi, making sure that I look pretty every day.
In line with the BB campaign na being positive, so how do you keep yourself positive?
Actually, mahirap siyang gawin. Madali siyang sabihin na stay positive, stay positive. Pero with everything that's happening right now, mahirap talaga. But I just find inner strength. And nakakatulong din po talaga yung mga taong nagsusuporta to always remind you na you can do it.
So, name 3 celebrities or stars na para sa iyo ay napakaganda.
Name any celebrities that are
Tatlo.
pretty. First po is my childhood idol po talaga, si Sarah G. And then si Catherine and si Nadine. Yung growing up, sila po yung dalawang idol ko po talaga.
And then last question. So choose among the 3. Ito tinanong ko sa mga Viva Stars, so di pa yata tatanong sa ito. Choose one. The most richest, the most beautiful, or the smartest, and why?
Sorry, what are the choices again?
Pinaka-smart, pinaka-maganda, or pinaka-mayaman? If you were to have one of these.
The qualities, feeling ko po is yung smarts. Because nowadays, it's so easy to enhance how you look like, and madali lang din po tanggapin yung sarili mo when you're smart, when you have the wisdom to know that everything else matters above looks.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Bakit ako ay choose richest? Yan talaga pag may edad din. Okay, good answer. Mali yung akin. Alright, thank you so much. Great question. Maraming salamat po. Next, moving on to Manila Standard, we have Jasper Valdez.
Hello, Angela. Congratulations on your endorsement. Kanina na-mention na pati si Rabin, endorser din ng mga products under Vivo Beauty. And ngayon, ikaw na endorser ka na din. Anong masasabi mo na yung beauty space or yung beauty market ay mas inclusive na ngayon na kahit sino pwede na sumamit ng skincare products, ng beauty products, na hindi na siya na nakakakonsol gender.
Ako naman po, it's a great deal that people are accepting cosmetics now openly compared to before. Kasi Plasma Cosmetics refers for everyone naman. Hindi siya pumipili ng, para dito ka lang, dito ka lang. It's not for a certain type of person only. It caters to everyone. And I'm so happy that we are all accepting this and uplifting each other with cosmetics such as Viva Beauty po.
Sa lahat ng produkto ng BB, ano yung pinaka-paborito mo? And bakit yun yung paborito mo?
One of my favorite beauty products from Viva Beauty is yung the Labay Blanc Duna Skincare line. And also, of course, the newest Vivi products as well. Ang favorite ko po is yung lip gloss, yung lip oil, and yung cheek tints. Liquid cheek.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much. And last but not least, pakinggan natin from Lionheart TV, we have Richard Paglikawan.
Thanks, Vivi. Hello, Angela. Congratulations sa endorsement. So, yung first question ko is how do you define true beauty in today's social media-driven world? And how do you handle beauty standards and online pressure about appearances?
I think that's a very timely
Is beauty
question.
ka?
Yeah, kasi nakaka-relate po ako sa second question. Pero for the first question, sorry, I forgot again.
How do you define true beauty in today's social media-driven world?
I think true beauty is in words. Kumbaga, inner siya. When you're pretty, physically, but ang pangit naman ng ugali mo, or hindi ka marunong makisama sa ibang tao, for me, you don't look that good. For me, mas nagmamatter po yung ugali ng isang tao, more than physical appearances. And as for the second question, it used to get to me, the comments, the bashing, but I keep reminding myself na tanggap ko nga yung sarili ko, and this is how I was born, this is how God made me, and I'm perfect just the way I am.
And since last question naman, how do you balance looking good for your work, and feeling good for yourself?
I don't know if it's just me, pero kapag naka-makeup ako, nakaayos ako, and I look at the mirror, mas mataas yung self-esteem ko, mas confident ako, and I feel beautiful inside. I feel good.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Happy.
Thank you. Okay, and that wraps up our press conference for today. Palakpakan naman natin si Angela. Congratulations. Of course, on BB. And bagay na bagay ka na maging face of BB. You're such a ray of light to a lot of people. Kaya congratulations sa'yo. Meron ka bang parting words that you would like to share with everybody?
First of all, I would like to thank the Viva bosses, Boss Vic, Boss Veronique, Boss Val, Boss Girl. Thank you so much po sa lahat. Boss Vin, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for Viva thank you so much to Viva for trusting me and believing in me and for giving me this project. I will do my best and I promise I would not disappoint. To my angels, my gel loves, thank you so much for coming here. Despite the season, medyo may sakit lahat ng tao, and it's also a weekday, so medyo mas mahirap pumunta dito. And I appreciate you for your efforts. To the press for coming here, thank you so much po, and I hope na meron po kayo natutunan about me. And I hope to see you soon and more press cons, hopefully. Thank you so much to my family and my friends for always supporting me. And yun lang po. I will continue to do my best po.
Thank you, Angela. It's been a joy to get to know you more and to congratulate you on this milestone of yours. And thank you, everybody, for joining us here this afternoon. To our dear guests from the media, maraming salamat. Request lang tayo ng isang photo with Angela. If you may please stand here po sa end of the ramp. Or would you like one by the products? Okay, can we have one here na lang po by the products? Oh, sige, okay, sige. So we'll have one here in the middle, and then we'll have one later here by, of course, the VB line. Again, maraming salamat po to everybody for joining us this afternoon. Please do watch out for Angela's exciting projects with Viva. Okay, thank you to the fans. Salamat for coming. Okay, you may now stand there by your line. Of course, VB will be available in SM Beauty La Union. At syempre meron din tayong Ayala Circuit Makati Mall Show. Everybody is invited there. For more updates, please do follow our official social media pages. And that is Facebook.com/Viva Artist Agency, on Instagram at Viva Artist Agency, on X at Viva Artist _ and on TikTok at Viva Artist Agency. Again, my name is Phoebe Walker. Congratulations, Angela, and we will see more of you very, very soon. Have a good day. Bye.